Oh wow, I didn't have my microphone on at all that time. Okay, so here you go. Let's put it up there. Anyway, I was talking for a minute, there's some crazy sounds. Now we're back. You got some panning left and right action on the audio. Let's adjust that a little more. I don't know what it really sounds like. Just want you to be able to hear my voice. Yeah. And watch this, no clipping. It's a little buggy if you yeah, there, if I do that, if I move sideways while up against the wall, but you can't see through the wall here. I think I could see through the wall here or something. It's still, yeah, it's still a little bit not perfect, yeah, see there? So I'm probably gonna have to do some diagonal ray traces or something, or I don't know. But anyway. Alright. That was really loud. I don't know if you guys could even hear me doing all of that. If anyone's watching, I'm also going to do it as a new character so you can see what else I've done. So basically, I've added just a simple spring arm, but I inverted the direction for that camera. Wrong server. Oh yeah, I didn't put a password on that time. See, that's what happens. The password works. Oh wait, I want a new character. Alright, here you go. So I fixed this guy. Look at this. That's way cooler, am I right? I dream a genie. So, bring this over here. And something else I added here. A couple things I added here. This is pretty cool. This is fun stuff. So if you try to go out, let's say somebody opened the door. I disabled control and push you in the opposite direction, plus some Z-axis to send you hurtling through space. Away from the door. So you can't leave if you're... well, first of all, you can't even open the door if you're a spirit. But if somebody else was in here and opened the door, there's a volume that detects that you're there, and it bounces me away from it like that automatically. Like, I have no control over myself when I'm there. I'm like, whoops, might as well not be touching the keyboard. But anyway, so then I also added this. When you become a character, poof! Yeah, cool. I found out where the color properties are and stuff. So... that's fun. Let's see. I added background noises there, so you got the monks doing their chants and stuff over here. Different sounds. And the female models work with everything. I haven't fixed some of the running animations look a little junky. The walking one looks a little weird. But otherwise, I mean, everything's there. I didn't have to do anything. I basically just was like, wait a second, there's nothing actually different about their skeletons. They're coming from Make Human. I didn't really... They should work. It's the male-female thing is a different setting in there. So that's different. But otherwise, I mean, yeah. They're totally different. So some of the poses are a little weird, but, I mean, hey. Look, who can complain? I got my motion, I got my pose, and if I hold it down all the way, it'll just stop before checking her watch, for example. See? Stopped. But if I just hold it and let go, I'm actually holding and letting go, it sends a rep notify to stop. But if I hold it down all the way, it just loops the whole thing. Yeah, and like I said, I have to fix the animations on these guys. So everything is on here now. Get an animation blueprint. There's my guy. That'll run. See, basically here, blend poses by bool. This is your equivalent of a branch node in animation blueprint. You got your true false, how much time it takes to blend, like in case this is live, which is cool. And yeah, I mean, that's basically it. So I either play the male or the female blend space player. So I kind of have to do that for every one of these. Each of these just has a slightly modified animation to adjust. So I wanted to fix the posing one. Let's do that. I'll go into my graph here. This is what you'd recognize. This is what I first added. This is my combat mode area. This is all the dodgings, or just different states. Posing. So over here is my first emote. So all the emotes will just come out of idle. You can't pose while jumping or strafing or turning or crouching or combating. You just can't. So posing is one of them. Layered blend per bone. Also, I'm already doing that. So the top half of it plays. So for example, is posing. I have the gender switch here. So simple enough. We've got a speed. I'm gonna make play mocap test 1 pose. So that's the whole thing. Maybe it's female. I should take off the bottom half. Just let it be the whole thing. Why not, right? So, let me just remind myself what that node was. Blend poses by bool. What's this? Entry. Oh, okay. Boop. Okay, blend poses by bool. Throw in that gender. I made it so that I always forget which one's positive, which one's negative. True is female, yeah. Okay, that's what I thought. So false would be this, and true would be, oh yeah, because I'm not going to do anything else. True would just be that. I have to do a copy of it. Clean it up a little bit here. There we go. So if you are female, I'll do the whole thing. If you're male, it'll do it like this. A masculine, manly stretch. Right? Am I right? Alright, compile, save. And let's go in there and host that game. I should do it like multiplayer just to show. I could show the difference live. Let me do that. And I know the sounds are really loud. I don't know what the deal is with that. Let's just make sure this is really quiet. It's loud in my headphones, but that's fine. I'll just turn my headphones down. So close this, and I'll just do 3 players. Join. So, you know, this is where I was getting crashes before from the loading and saving and all these events firing off simultaneously and accessing wrong variables and all this sort of mess that was happening. I cleaned up. So luckily, and the texture streaming pool happened at some point. That's because I can set that higher, but I figure it's good to always know what the texture streaming pool is. So it's not really a warning as much as just like a notification. Alright, and oh, see, that's what happens. Oh shit, what happened then? I got a crash. Shit, that's really bad. I don't want that. What then happened? Ticks. Let me just try this real quick. Because I've been testing on all sorts of things. Let me just... bug free! Ta-ding! Let's get this guy. What's that? Alright, yeah. I'll just do it again. Might be a sound thing. It's probably related to sound because that's one of the newer things I added. There we go. It's probably some saved player character that I deleted otherwise. So let's go get some male and female characters. Shit. Oh man. That is exactly what was happening before. So I guess I'm going to do some live bug fixing. Nobody watching? We got one person watching. Anybody? This happens all the time. There, this thing. Man, that foot socket shit. Still. Alright, I'm gonna turn off, because my foot looping thing is just a mess in the first place, so I gotta figure out what's up with that. Maybe redo my foot IKs in general. That sucked. Let's see. Alright. Let's try this again and see what happens. Maybe it's a sound. Maybe it's something to do with, like, you know what, probably the foot trace thing was happening, but I want to see something in my settings. Should I? Let me just see if it crashes again. Alright, loaded a character just fine. That's always pretty good. Joining onto other guys here. I mean, you always have to wonder if like a crash is simply happening because, you know, you're running 3 processes of the same like load on the same game. I mean, it could just be. I don't see the poof of smoke there. But at least it worked. Alright, let's go. Got a female character. Yeah, no foot IK trace nodes for now. That's just not going to be a thing for a little while. Which is okay. Probably going to run a hell of a lot smoother without trying to do that. But I do have... Da-da-da-da. Alright, let's see. Where are those guys? And obviously I knew it was going to work. Yeah, the different sounds. Alright. I threw these swords in here just so I could grab them. You know, so I have swords, so whatever. Maybe I should make swords invisible, or check that you don't have swords in your hand. There you go. When you do this, as for now, it just kind of, yeah, it does that. That's funny. So should I, because in some games what it usually does is it makes it so that you just remove the swords if you're going to do an emote like that. And maybe I should just say, like, no, you can't flex if you're holding swords. So that should be my check. That's not good. It didn't remove the item. Although that happens when sometimes when I play a game like that. Let's see, he's not... Let's see, I got the second one there. So I remember that was a problem I thought I'd fixed. Let me delete all of these guys. Yeah. Okay, so the foot IK node was definitely causing the crash. I'll delete all the save games. And I'll just go one more time, see if those items are getting picked up properly or not. I might have to fix that first. I mean, the animation worked as far as I could tell. I'll check again on the multiple consoles. So new characters. These are all going to be blue poofs. And hopefully it doesn't crash when I do this. I mean, pretty good, pretty good. I'll go to this guy. Do it on this guy now. Alright, cool. And of course I have the mirror over here, so I can do some cool shit real quick. I was thinking of making it the pose happen on... There we go, replicated. These are both the clients, this is the server. So let's see this guy do it. Yep, there you go. Replicated emotes. So that's also, I didn't show the whole thing with that. Might as well show you what I'm doing there. When I hit my pose, I think it's a player controller thing, or it's emotes. There we go. I just started it here. Very simple. Input action, server event to set the bool, and set that server side. That makes it replicate. You have to do that basically. So just like, and then you just access this from the animation blueprint, just like you would as if it was just a normal variable. You do, I mean, ignore this. This is the released. This is my pressed release thing. But if you just do any custom event, there you go, server posing. Just make it cast to event and do the variable, and then so then on the animation blueprint, like I was showing before. What the fuck? Oh, I'm just going here. Okay. This is really it. This is the state. I mean, so to go into it and out of it from idle, it's one way thing. Okay, one way in and out. It's just a bool. Can enter. Can exit. Oh, and then what I did on, so this is just a blend per bone. This is what I had originally, just to make it so it's the upper half. The bone is selected down here. Sync group? No. Oh, I had the wrong thing. So here we go. Layer setup. Branch filters. Just keep opening these up. Spine 01. There you go. And 0 shuts it off below that. Okay. Or no, 1 blend weights. There, shuts it, turns it all the way on. I'll do it again later. Mail 1, and this is what I'm talking about. This is just, so what I actually have here is a notify, because I wanted to stop the end of it. That's kind of androgynous. Anyway, now here, see, he has a watch checking. That's anachronistic. So what's happening there is rep notify. Where does that get called? On the event graph here, because I'm just setting posing emote. There we go. It's an anim notify on the blueprint. So basically, the sequence comes out of the chain of events. So it's just, this is the emote part here. Very simple. Set the posing from the blueprint, just like any basic thing. But this anim notify sets it off, both on the third person and here. That way I shut it off automatically, as if I had as if I had let go of the button. So that's that. There, I explained the thing. Alright, I got some audiences. What should I do next? I want to make my character like light on fire when he jumps out the window. Like, that's important to me. Because there's only 2 ways out of this. And one of them is not out of it, and the other way is through the door. Let's say 5, the 5th character here. Alright, this is just, so Like if I'm here and I didn't test the items. Should I fix the items? I should fix the items. Let me see how that works. Sorry. So, but the idea is like you try to leave as a free spirit, you can't. But once you've picked a body, then you can jump out the window or the door. But once you've jumped out the door, what happens? Well, you light on fire, disappear in a poof of smoke, and reappear, waking up in your bed. Like, wow, that was a crazy dream I just had. So, one here. I'll set him up with a character. Make one a human male. No, human female. Because. Alright, good. Oh yeah, I have to make that particle emitter spawn on multiplayer. That didn't happen correctly. I'm pretty sure I know. But that's from the map. I guess I have to make it a server thing. It's kind of weird that it didn't. Alright, loading character worked good. It was the foot trace. I have way too much math going on in the foot trace. I gotta shut that thing, make it simpler. Okay, so these guys see each other. Yeah. But okay, the items. Alright, cool. And the music's changing because of the different players I'm selecting here. See, that's not good. What happened there? That's weird. Maybe the second time it picks up. This is all good. That's all working. What? Oh, weird. Okay. I have a Z button that'll highlight everything in vicinity. Just to highlight it. See? That's cool, right? Z highlights everything in the area. It's a good old thing to have. Let me see what's happening here. Maybe just the map. Problem with the map. Because that's probably where the particle effect error is happening. So, someone please comment if my volume levels are ridiculous. So I'm just hearing the sound over and over again in my headphones because of the game. But when I play the game without trying to stream, it's like, normal volume. So I don't know if it's coming out max volume in here just because of my streaming settings. These things. There you go. How did I do that? Ka-choo. Totally forgot about that. Okay. That's part of my world save game system. Basically, anything that I add to the game, that's an item that's there, at world start, at the beginning of the game, that I put there is a world item. And if you interact with it, it's, if you pick it up, it's not, if you put it down yourself, it's not a world item. And that has to do with my saving and loading thing. So just make sure that works correctly, because that was just a mistake on my map editing. The lighting I've built to production quality. I built the lighting the other day. So also to prevent save bugs, I can go here. Well, I have to, let me keep the characters saved. It's just a world save game issue. So I'll create a new save world. See it up here. It's like no world save game found. Creating new world save, and then it world save. It's, yeah, real brief. Welcome back. So I got this guy. Still got my things, And let's see, I'll put him away. Put away. Put away. In my backpack. Alright, now let me see if this is still... Nope, there we go. Alright, sweet. Maybe I should make a pickup animation thing happen. I mean, honestly, there's just so many routes to go. It's kind of like, well, where do I go first? So, I think before doing any finessing on minutia like that, should I? Should I make the pickup thing do an animation? Put away all these falchions. Make sure getting works. Yeah. And try it on the client too, just to make sure. But I know that was the problem, so I just want to show that it works. Elves run fast. I'm just... Oh yeah, it's a role-playing game after all. So I didn't show off the, it was looking wobbly because I had the mouse held down, which causes me to go into this turn animation if I move it, so it's because I'm looking around. It's causing a turn animation. I should make the interp back to smoother. But anyway, so the only other option is to leave. I got some wind sound out here. Obviously, that's awesome. We all know that. Oh, and the fire effects are on the fire, and have little fire sounds on these guys. See here, it's like a hissing sound. So the idea is, like, I want what to happen is I want when you jump out of this, you light on fire and disappear before you hit the ground, and teleport away to another continent out there somewhere, perhaps beyond the ocean, if Unreal Engine will let me do that. So, should I do that next? I think I should, right? What's up, Gamer Flame? Gamer Flame, speak of the devil. So here's what I'm doing. I'm going to straight up learn something. Let's check this out. We're going to do some live learning because it's fun. That'll be my mission for the day, because making the game look cool is good. So that takes a minute to load, obviously, but what I'm looking for in here is something I saw before, which is in the particle effects demonstrations, where it shows that you can apply fire to the bones and such. So that's going to be pretty cool. I'm going to do that. It'd be nice to make the character disappear like vertically from the bottom to the top. I don't know how exactly to do that, but instead of just disappearing all at once, that would be cool. So basically, when that happens, all I'm going to do, I'm just going to destroy the actor completely, because all of that stuff is in the save game. All those variables are on your save game. So I'll destroy the actor and just change the location of the save game based on your choices in the mirror of your starting type and race and all that stuff. So you're either in one of 4 locations, either in the city of the court, or the wilds of the court, which I call the free lands, or you're in the city of the tribe, which would be the dark elves, like, probably, and the wilds of the tribe, which would be the Fey lands. So all in all, the whole game's called the Frayed Lands. Right down here, I got that. The Frayed Lands. You like that? You like that? So I'm just gonna look in here and just copy a paste, not literally, but probably once or twice in the process, and just see how they do it. I might just do it from scratch on myself once I see how they do it, but you know, we'll just poke around on this. You ready for some fire, Gamer Flame? We're gonna light the character on fire. We'll make it like the color of the fire based on the race you chose. How about that? Maybe that would be cool, right? Or at least the tribe or court. So red or green. Let's do that first, because that's easier. Maybe then what I can do is change the end color to your race and be super bonkers, but no one would notice, really. That's too minute, too much work for too little. That's like, you know, adjusting your cheekbones in a freaking MMO. No. Just no. I'm gonna do morph things as they were. This is really taking a while. I wonder if I should close mine for the time being. Shouldn't have to. Just taking a long ass time to load. I wonder if I need to plug in my external hard drive. Nope, it's here. Let me try closing this for now. This might just take a long ass time to open. Well, in the meantime, I can play my music again. That's stupid. Dead air. There's a waiting time. I guess I'll take a 5-minute intermission and we'll come back. Alright. I think... Oh wow, it's been on for half an hour already. I mean, geez, time just flies. You're back, I guess. Hey, I'm back. It was kind of nice, so I should have kept that on. But anyway, we're here at the content examples project, and I'm looking for particles. So much cool stuff in here. Like, seriously, this is where I got the skin thing from, pretty much. So, you know, it's all included. Part of the deal, as far as I know. But in the meantime, I can also show you this cool thing. You're gonna like this. Yeah. Let's get that loading up too. It's coming up quick because it's really small. Yeah, check this out real quick. Particles. Alright, I'll show you the particle that I want to do back here. No, that's not it. No, wait. Material properties, maybe. Well, while I look for that, I'll tab over here and show you this. Compiling shaders, but it should play. Multitasking for the lose. Alright, here we go. We're in game. It's still froze. There we go. Okay, okay. My computer's trying to do 10 million things at once, so that's why I got the crazy controls. Boom. For some reason, when those pieces hit the big pieces, they don't blow up properly. Or maybe the big pieces just aren't blowing up properly now. But I also made this pretty badass. Watch this. He flies away. And I can't get the character to blend back to a good position. I think because he's wearing other skeletal meshes, so the interp 2 back just brings him to that at the most. I don't know what the deal is with that. So I try it naked just see if it works. So basically detaching the camera, setting a bool, set all bodies below. So if I detach those, I don't know. So target 0. Just doesn't work like it's supposed to. Maybe I should try doing it to all of them. See what happens that way. I saw all this on, I think, PyroDev's tutorial for the. See, no, it breaks up normally if I hit it. I gotta work on why it's not breaking up when the asteroids hit it. But anyway, let's see what happens. Boing. Nope, see, it just snaps to his position. Anyway, that's my side project. It's a single player. It's flying physics that I can work on implementing into my game. Yeah, that's what happens when I put that on there. So I'll just exit without saving that. And let's see. Is this where we have the fire guy? Where are you? It's one of these things. Could it be maybe something from the skeletal mesh part? Where's that? Animation blueprints, probably? Somewhere on there. There's a dude on fire, and I'm copying it. So how's your work going, Gamerflame, if that's still you in chat? I'll look at that later. I'll try the animation. I think it might be there. Because that's when I was one of the ones I was working in, actually. Okay. Yeah, I think it's here. I think this might be it. No. This is where I got the Foot IK business started working on it from. Okay, not this one. That sucks. Advanced character rendering. So if you're just checking out the stream now, I'm looking for the content example of the character on fire so I can add it, the basic idea, to my game. But you can rewind and check out what I've got so far. I did a basic overview of everything. Oh, this is not the one either. So these things are just incredible. It's always worth just going through all of these, reading all of the stuff they say. Go to the website with the little link here. No. Where's your little link guy, for example? Ah. Where's your little information card? Oh, whatever, maybe this one doesn't have one. Effects? I don't think so. I think it was like a animation thing. Maybe under Blueprints Advanced. Or under the materials. Sort of, yes. Okay, I found it. It's under effects, ladies and gents. Yes. Zip, zip. That is what we're gonna do. Alright, so let's look at the documentation. Ding. Open help documentation. There we go. We'll grab the guy. Let's see, we got a P, man on fire, and we got SK character. Okay. P, man on fire. Let's check this out. It's a P spawn from bone. Element fire. Cool. Looks relatively straightforward. Let's see. Alright. What? Bone socket location module, which allows you to spawn particles from moving character. You can select the bones or socket names from where you want to spawn and add a parameter name. Bone socket location. And an emitter actor properties. Here. You're saying here, emitter actor properties. You add the instance parameter. It's just means press the triangle with the name you specified before in the location module name. Left forearm, bone socket actor. I don't know. Before the location, I'll select PC actor from the list and select the actor and you want to emit particles from. You'll immediately see the particle. Okay. Let's do this in Engine Live, right? That's the idea. Alright, so we're using this emitter. Got a couple materials. I want to just open it up. I might probably just copy this over first. So we've got what they're talking about, bone socket location. It's easy to just modify all this stuff. Okay. Let's do this guy. I'll just copy it over. Migrate it. So we get, oh, effects, character, physics, skeleton. Ooh, I don't want all that. Let's see if I can migrate it now. I'm still getting it. I saved the map. Maybe I should just try changing one of mine. So I'll go back in here. I'll take a fire thing, duplicate it, and try and make it from scratch. This is one topic I haven't even explored in YouTube tutorials, so this is probably a bad idea, but that's what we do. Let's see, looking for my badass effects. And under P. Got some here, could use that. But I have some, is it diamond? There we go, no? Oh, here it is, there we go. Jesus Christ. There we go. A whole bunch of fire. This is all free. This is a Infinity Blade effects. This is from her, from the store. It's free. Infinity Blade effects. Get it. Okay. Want to play with fire blue ground. That looks appropriate, correct? Let's start with that. So now how do I add a thing? This is where I should look up. This is too complex. Let's see. No, but that was sick. Let me do this. Correspond to a transfer velocity particle emitter. Can I just add? Okay. Location. Bone socket location. Okay, do I have to put it on all of these things? Yeah, each of these is an emitter. So, location, bone socket location, bone socket actor, skeletal mesh, human male, bone socket location, human male. These are all derivatives of the one, so I will bone socket location, human male, location, bone socket, loop and repeat. Can I program something to do this for me? That's how some people would think, right? Alright, last one. And I'm just going to try and just set it and forget it, basically, because I didn't see anything else they said to do. I'll double check, though. In the guide, we've got, you select the bones or socket names from where you want to spawn to. See, he's got them both. Source type, left, okay. Source locations. Source locations. So I have to make one for each bone. That's stupid, isn't it? Maybe I can change the name live? So I'm wondering how to tackle this first. I guess I'll just grab the skeleton. And just say we want maybe the spine. Let's just do that. Pelvis, spine 1, spine 2, spine 3. That's pretty metaphysical. I'll go with spine. Where are you? Where are you, particle emitter? Oh wait, you're up here. Okay, tabs. So under bone socket name, yeah, we'll do pelvis. No, we'll just do the spine. So spine 1. Yeah. Copy and paste. Told you I'd do that. Yeah. Okay. I can't count. And I've got those 3 set up. I believe that's it. Is that it? OY's Obi-Wan. Can epic. Then an emitter actor. Okay, so I didn't tell him. Parameter name. Parameter name. Parameter name. It's a bone socket actor. Okay, so then I will take this to emitter actor. So I want to spawn an emitter actor on the map from the map. Yeah, I'll save that. And I'll just put a big square under the map so that if anyone falls through it. So modes, basic, box trigger. See where I can see it. Alright. At here. Hold shift, so I'll move it over, keeping shift down. I'll move it down. Okay. Somewhere in the center now. Spacebar. Oh, Jesus. This is a lot of mouse movement. Is that enough? Nope. This is a big area. Let's see this. $1,000 each. Like 4,000, 5,000. What's it doing over? Oh. Oh, look at that. 000's nice, perfect location. I wanted scale. Why is this not? Oh, Bach extent. Oh, okay. That's what I want to modify. No. Is 5,000 enough? Make it cover 7,500. Could you jump past that? You could jump past that, theoretically. Maybe. Alright. 20,000. Okay. If you jump out of the window and cross this, you will thusly trigger the next thing. Bring it up here. I can't tell where exactly it. Shift does not make you run faster when you're flying around. I gotta remember that. Does it look like it's under? It's under that. Just wanna. I don't even know why I care about being under that. That's just like a lighting thing. All right, I'll put it here. Okay. And now open up a blueprint. This is also where the other particle is, so I have to figure out what's going on with that. Spine emitter, server. Because I just put it here because I wanted it to. Because it's the only time that one thing happens from all this. It's like a function to me. I could put it here. all of this is happening on the server, no matter what. You're coming through server. I should do a little aside. Or just paste this on each of those. This is why functions happen, but I don't want to mess with that too much on here for a lot of reasons I'm not going to get into right now. So all of these do a get appearance. Where'd it go? Alright, so I'm just replacing that as an actor. So this way I can keep my connection smooth without having to rewrite a whole bunch of crap. Actor, so just grab that there. No. What? This is a third person PP. Reference. Compile it. Alright. Replace that one. Now I can rename this. Spawn poof. This is on the map, so I should just say creation spawn base selection. Oh. And I want this one to be multicast. Not replicated. I don't know. Multicast. I could go here, and now I want to sets appearance. Pipe passing through the actor, and yeah, a little noodly, but let's see if that worked. So that's for just for the first particle I had set up before, the race selection one. So now what I want to do is if I jump out the window, so what I'm having is creation door check here. So I'll put this guy, I have it selected still. So create a reference to trigger box. And I should really rename it too. Let me compile and rename it. Where are you, buddy? All of this is spawned, so I'll just folder it up later. Creation. Exit. Okay. Compile that. Oops. Creation exit. Okay, there it is. Overlap. What? What? Maybe it's not a box trigger I want. Oh, generate overlaps, yeah, that's what I want. Just type it, okay. Unactive begin overlap for creation exit, okay. Got it. Radio, deleted, okay. Overlapped, other actor. Spawn, emit, so we'll just do third person maybe. Add pot, no. Is that what I'm doing on the other one? Spawn emitter attached. Oh, get the mesh. I don't know if I want it attached. Let me see if I can get just emitter. Particle systems components. Yeah, okay, spawn emitter attached. Yes. Oh, I didn't duplicate this. This is just what it is. Fireground blue. Whatever. It's my source of things. Should I resave the name, something else, and duplicate it and undo those? I don't know. Let's say ground fire. Blue mobile. It's mobile. Okay, attach point name. Okay. Undoing. Get that mesh attached to component. And now on this we want to type instance parameter. All right. Set instance parameters. Set instance parameters. I don't know if I can do this. Maybe it's just something that I will create dynamic material instance. No, I don't want materials. Maybe I should have a component like this on the character for any time they light on fire. And I'll just make it go to all the bones. So let's see what happens if I do that. Alright, let's go to character. Components. Emitter? No. Particle? Particle system. Fire. Instance parameters. Bone socket actor. Bone socket actor. So this is saying I'm going to modify this parameter named bone socket actor in there. It's going to be that PSPT actor is not showing up. Try actor. No. SK character. Just putting that there. PSPT actor didn't work. This might be too new. Oh no, I have this. This is working the other one. Let me go back to content examples and this. Parameter actor. Yeah. Okay. So back on my guy, I've got this. I got actor. Skeletal mesh actor. Skeletal mesh. from scene. Oh, no. Never mind that. Let's see. This is stuff in the map. Why would it not let me do myself? Maybe I can do this in the map. So I took it off of here, deleting it from here, and we'll try it in the map again as a component. Maybe set template. Yep, there we go. Where are you? Okay, and also actor parameter. Nice, I think this is it. Bone socket, what was the word I needed? Bone socket actor. Parameter. Oh, nothing's showing up here. Oh, well, yeah, I want to take this and say get mesh. Oh, not coming with actor reference. Okay, well, I just get this. Hell yeah. Okay. Let's try that. Do I need this here? No. Okay. Let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. Let's do it one at a time. That's very loud. I really apologize if you're watching this and I suck at, it seems like I suck at audio levels. And wait, let me just advanced settings, audio shit, where is that? Use single product, create audio, oh, no, okay. Okay. Oh. Do you see? I see smoke. I see. Oh, I see it. I see it. I created it. Yo, it's going at the feet. It's going on the hands. That's weird. It's going on the head. Is it going on everything? This is cool as hell. I'm on blue fire. Okay, it kind of technically worked. I just have to tweak the variables. How about that? How about that, ladies and germs? Thanks for the comment, Michael. So hopefully that was kind of cool. Let's see what. How can I change that? So it's not doing the bone selections correctly, but that's fine, right? I wonder if I can do it with any particle system here. Let's see what happens if I just change this to. I'll just search for fire. Let's just see what happens. What the hell happens? Okay. Like maybe I don't have to set that. I probably do. Phone socket actor. It's gonna crash. Let me keep that on here. And let's see. Maybe I can adjust something on here. I'll make it more frequent. Let's see. This is the flare. And this is the smoke. Okay. Fire 1. Fire 1. Flare. I don't know how to make it more. Let's just try changing things. Size. Let's distribution. Got life multiplier. So much color overlife, alpha overlife. I want to put size. Anything size by life on the chart. Okay, so these are here. If I just raise some of this stuff, that's start size. Okay. See that getting crazy. Wait, can I say I can't undo? Let me see. Okay. Okay, it's good. It's good now. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Didn't work. What the fuck? Let me close it so it undoes the saves. No, never mind. I'll have to just tweak it back to where it was. Alright, it was like here, right? How does that look? That's fine. Okay, so what is going on there? What am I adjusting? Maybe I try this one? No. Initial size. Let's try that one. Oh. Move that there. Okay, all of these up. Will it work? Does it look like it's getting bigger? It's going. It is getting a little bigger. Okay, it's getting bigger that way. That guy there. And then probably if I do this guy too, size by life. Oh, is this like, oh, let me see. Life, no. Okay. Go. That's better. Okay, and this is the flare. Let's try this chart. I can, I lost it. Okay, turn that off. Okay, this, I'm not seeing it. Okay, this. No. This is flare, sparks particle emitter. What's this one? Smoke. So this is fire. Origin rotation. Piece. need that little checkbox there, use local space. And I just want it to be bigger and stuff. And, well, let's see if that made a good difference real quick. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, the smoke was blue because I'm messing with the blue smoke. Check out this. Anyway, that's that. Let's see what this does. Oh, there it is. It stayed on me. That's better. It's still not distinct enough, and it's on all the bones, which is good. I mean, that's what I want, but that's not what I set it to do. So, you know, there's that. So, I think spawn, do, let's get a lot more of it going on there. Alright, let's check that out. And I can make the character slow faller. I could do other stuff to make it more distinct. Let's see, where am I? Subtle. Looks good. It's closed up. Let's see. So, bone socket. Actor. Oh, selected this one. Huh. So that's probably what's happening. They're pre-selected indices. Position each inherent bone velocity. Maybe just bump that up. So where was it supposed to be set? I also have a color here. I can change color here. Color over life. There's a blue glow on it already. I'm not seeing it. The color change on any of these. I wonder if I have to do it for all of them. It's green. What the fuck? For the smoke? Oh, not seeing it. It might be because of... Let's go to the chart. Color over life. There you go. That's pretty cool. Off over life. Color over life. Ah, there we go. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna have different colors from there. But I want it to be bigger. Initial size, maximum, minimum are like inverted. That's just weird. It's supposed to be 10 and 7, 20 and 15, and they just rushed it. Yep. Alright, so there we go. Looks a little ridiculous size. Can only be too much or too little, damn it. That might be good. Let's check it out. Poof. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to that level blueprint. If you're up here somewhere. Main map. Alright, and let's get... I was just trying whether I want to put it before or after the fire. I think after the fire. Okay. Gravity. Nope. Maybe this is what I have to cast too. Probably have to... Yeah! I lost it. My fingers are hurting from typing at this weird desk here. Set. Enable gravity. Mesh. Capsule components. No. That's just gravity enabled. Let's see. Okay. And when I load the game from the main map, it doesn't go through the server login process, so it's like kind of a bypass. It doesn't effectively test multiplayer, but it's a good way of checking the gameplay. So the gravity was turned off, and my velocity is continuous, so that's exactly what I wanted. Let me see if the gravity's still off. I'll try jumping from here. Nope, gravity is on. I'm done with the fire. So let me open up this guy. Oh, that's cool. Architectural design. Hey man, tell me what you learned. What kind of like genre are you doing? Victorian, Gothic architecture and stuff, or modern contemporary stuff, or 60s Art Deco? Alright. Chatting with Michael Weiner here. So the capsule component is the biggest one. Maybe it's... I have to get all of them? Isn't there like a children thing? Yeah, probably from the character. Movement. Gravity C. So let's say movement component value. I want to lower my desk so I can type here. Alright, gravity, that's all I got from there. Okay, try. Try both of them. Hey man, I want to say that I took 2 weeks off from this, but it was actually like 2 weeks of grueling with cleaning bugs and dealing with the slow crash process. Okay, so it appears, I don't know if gravity's still on or not, but that fire shit is sick. That is so good. Essentially all I wanted. So now I'm just trying to... It's weird. How do I do it here? Oh, disable movement first? Well, no, I didn't need that first. Capsule component. Simulate physics. Oh, yeah. Let me just Disable movement. No, I don't need the disable movement. That was for, yeah, preventing walking out the wall. So I just need simulate physics first. Thanks. Alright. Now let's see what happens. I have no control over her now. Should I turn ragdoll too? I should turn ragdoll, shouldn't I? That would be effective. Whoa! What? You saw it here first, folks. You saw it here first. Oh man, dwarf punting is reached a new low. I'm just gonna leave this on for a minute and watch this dwarf punt. What do you think? It would look like X-Men Mansion. Nice. That's cool, man. So, he's in the middle of jump mode, which is doing that to him. Isn't simulate physics the only thing you need for ragdoll? So let's see. Get set is jumping. Not from there, really? Oh, is in air. Hmm? Wasn't that supposed to be there? Oh, it's no, it's from. Is in air. No, air. Set movement mode. Let's just do this. Disable movement. Can't type. What the frig? Character movement, disable movement. Oh, get character movement is different from movement character movement component. Maybe. I don't know. So let's see. No, that's the one I was looking for. So, wait. Yes, there we go. Set movement mode. None. Movement mode disable. I could just do disable movement for that. Alright. Put that before. Yeah, let's do that first. And I gotta check the animation blueprint, see where the jump is from. Is in air. So it's from the blue grass. Oh, it's getting it from here. Is falling. Movement component is falling. Okay. So yeah, when I set that to anything else, disable movement or walking or anything, it'll cut off the jump animation. So that should work. Let's see if I ragdoll now. Yes! Wait, no. What? Let's get the mesh. What? So. What the? Whoa. That is just, no. This is wrong. This is bad. Not what I want. Oh my god. Where's she gone? That's just her clothes. Where's the body? You see a shadow anywhere? I see a shadow of this spinning around down there. Right there. That's cool. It's casting a shadow all the way down there. So you could be flying around in the game, and the game would see your shadow down there. That's cool. Yeah, something good out of every weird thing. Let's see. Why does it work in my other game, but not this one? Let's just set physics on the mesh. Just bill him. Send him a bill for a new house. Gravity off first. And it's weird that maybe I can reset the master pose component maybe after doing that gibberish. Why did she go flying and this did not? Let me see. Show that. Oh, the capsule component too, probably. Plug in all the things. Yep. Yeah, let's get that capsule component in there. No, look at that weird shadow too. Oh my god, on the ocean? That's weird. No. Alright, I'm not gonna do a ragdoll here. It's too much. I don't know why. Too much physics going on. Alright. Yeah, screw all that. 3 seconds of this. Destroy. And then let's see. Get control. Instigator controller work there? Yeah, that should work. duplicate that shit. Look at all that. Oh my god. So I got the controller. Destroy actor, and then player state. Info. No. Cast 2. Get info. Break. This is my structure, my save game, basically. I cast to and from. Okay, that's kind of tidy. And then we're going to get faction string. Oh, because there's multiple of them, that's right. Okay. Equals. And we're going to do a branch. Equals. The court or the tribe. Court and origin shit. Maybe I should just make another variable for like, yeah, when you pick your origin. Faction display nomad. Yeah, I should make like a bool wild or not, basically. So for now, let me just do a one thing or the other. Let's see. I'll go on the map and I'll say, just for now, we'll see, how do you add like a basic, like, location, like, crosshair target thing, what are they called? Target point. Okay, so just go over here. Target point. The court spawn. Okay. Goes to the court spawn. And set. Okay, no, wait. Set members. Location. And now I'm going to want to, let's see. Main controller or the main blueprints? Load. Probably on the controller. Bother. It's content. Game logic. Controller. Reticule? Yeah, reticule probably. I got it though. Let's see. My laptop is like kind of to my side, so I wasn't looking right at it. Do I have a load inventory or load appearance? Create widgets. Then load appearance. Get sunrise, get shirt color, get hair color, get facial hair. No, I don't want all this. Set gender, set foot time. Oh, I guess I do want that from from here. Load save character, spawn loaded character from location. There we go. So let's just do that. Spawn loaded character. Goes to main player controller. Oh wait, I also want to save at the player state first. Player state. Save player info. That's a thing I made. Here. There we go. So player info from there saves it, and then goes to main player controller. Oh, can I get the controller from the player state? That's cleaner. Controller. I don't need this at all then. There we go. Actor. Oh. Oh, there we go. Okay, player save from that actor. Alright, and then I'm going to want to... I'm just moving things. Gonna make it a little bit neater. Custom player controller. Load. Spawn loaded character. Because that will spawn an actor and possess it. Okay, controlled pawn, destroy. Oh, I already do that on here, so let me just do... I don't need the destroy actor at all. That makes it a lot cleaner. Alright. So I don't have to pass any temporary destroyed. My player does not inherit main player state. Really? Get controller? That fucks my whole thing up. Needs to get a controller from there. Let's try that. Nice. Yo, if this works, let me just make the other one too first, just to fully test it out. Alt-Shift this guy? Yeah, I could do that. Alt-Shift. The other side of this island. So this is just placeholder, temporary. Tribe spawn. And then I'll go here. Go reference the tribe spawn. I'll just copy all this ish. Wonder if I should make it a function. For now, I'll just do that. And both of these just save the player info and then they go forward to here. So I'll just go from here to there. Out of it. Alright, there we go. Alright. Yeah. I gotta connect these. Alright. Here goes nothing. Okay, what? think this has to be done on the server right here. Server. Check faction. Let's try this. No errors. Oh, didn't get to the main player state. Try online. That's really weird though. It didn't do like anything. Hi, Tube Game HD. Thanks for the like. Saving the shit. I'm gonna go into my menu and try doing it on Steam proper. This doesn't really matter. That's just for item pickup stuff. I might have fixed that item pickup thing problem. Let me see. Menu. There. Let's see if the map. Well, I wouldn't even be able to know. I wasn't keeping track of which items were picked up and which weren't. But the idea is, like, if I load into the map on the multiplayer test, it does something different where, like, I think it makes each player... Yeah, it makes each player client. I'm not actually loading into multiplayer properly. So it ends up overwriting the save game with a new save game. But anyway, it's not the case now. It's not what I'm testing. Let's see what happens with this stuff. I wanted to see if the poof of smoke works in multiplayer. Yes, it does. I don't know what I fixed, but I fixed it a while ago. So in that case, I want to see if this works too. Oh yeah, because I was running it on server and I needed to run it as a multicast. So maybe... Oh, that looks really weird. Her run. She's like forward and the others aren't. That's really weird. Alright, I have to work with that, her positioning. Fire? Fire worked? Oh, nothing else though. Still on fire. Woo! Wait, can I get back in? Sorry. It's not doing the thing with the cast too. Why ain't it casting? It's weird, huh? Can't cast to the player state from here. I'll have to put it as a function on the player controller, maybe. But anyway, this should work. Excuse. Oh. Well, no, that should be fine. Just get on server. The faction. The court should go to at least one of them. Should give me an error or something. Let's see. Print string. You suck. You suck. Alright. So it's failing the cast to there. Alright, let's try that. Cast to the blueprint first. Let's get that controller. Oh. I think it's just a fuck up in kind of node. These nodes, sometimes they just... What the shit? Okay, hold on. It's all being done on the controller. That's probably all it is. Alright, let's see. So we'll just take this stuff. Shit. What am I doing? I'm doing player info stuff here. Player state. Target player. Oh. No, what? we go. Alright, there it is. Found my player state. It's on there. Alright, clean this up a little bit. Alright. See if that works. What? It did something. It saved the game, but it didn't, let's see. Save player info. Respawn loaded character. Switch has authority. First, destroy actor, get controlled pawn, target is self. That just didn't happen. Maybe I should just copy this shit. No. Server custom. Delay that another second after saving, just to see what happens. Maybe the location isn't getting. Whoa. See, look. Okay. Alright. It's not doing it. It said the location, but it's not. So the last reference I've got to it. Third person PP on controller. I'll just take this. I think that's what I was just doing though. So this guy should also be down there. Yeah, he is. I should have so loud and turning it. I'm sure. Alright. Let's see if my little sun elf can do it. Huh. Let me just see something real quick. There we go. Cool. See, it saves everything still. Fearsome looking female, son of cleric of the court with star colored hair and owl eyes. And it saved the location and loaded the location up, but it's not doing this. Probably failing here. Player states. Let's just go from this cast, or maybe go from here, the player state. Try that one. think after this I'm gonna call it a break. Been at it for a couple of hours. Oops. Fourth character here. My hands and my back and my feet are aching. This is what happens when you work too long. I've been standing up too. I should like switch to a chair. Just taking a break. Let's see what happens. Nope. So that's fine though. I mean, I'm still getting what I want. I'll just have to destroy and yeah, I don't know. I'll look at this later though. Come back next time. I got a lot of progress. I got my flaming out the window thing done. So hooray!